In this video, I will show you how to log notes for your customers. So here I'm on one of the MyNetSuite customers. You are surely familiar with this page. What I will do here at the bottom, you can see there is user notes. So I will click on it, and then I have a button, new note. So here we have the notes. So I'll give a title if I want. I don't have to. I can give a type. It's just a random note, maybe I have copied the email that I received, or I want to put the details of my phone call. Had the call with the customer. They are thinking to double the monthly purchases. So my colleagues know that. I will know that for the future. My colleague knows that's the date of the call. That's the time it happened. And then the direction, incoming or outgoing. In this case, it's outgoing because I made the call. And then I will save. And that's it. Now you can see at the bottom there is the note. Had a call with the customer. They are thinking to double the monthly purchase, and you have all the details. You can remove here if you want to. And yeah, so I really recommend you use that. It's quite useful if you want to have an interface that also includes all the automated emails and communications and different collaborative approach in terms of accounts receivables. Please look at Kolleno.com, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.